Chocolate begins its life deep inside tropical rainforests. More than 70% of the world's cocoa comes from
Fresh cocoa beans are bitter and flavorless. Through fermentation and natural drying, powerful chemical changes create the future chocolate aroma.
Once dried, beans travel thousands of kilometers by ship and truck to giant chocolate factories around the world.
Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how chocolate is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
The roasted cocoa beans enter the automated grinders. The friction and pressure transform the nibs into this thick, flowing chocolate liquor.
Exact proportions of sugar, milk, and cocoa butter determine whether the final product becomes dark, milk, or white chocolate.
Every batch is refined and tested for perfect taste and texture.
Modern factories can wrap thousands of chocolate bars every minute with perfect precision.
Every chocolate bar is carefully checked before leaving the factory.
And that's how chocolate is made ได้ โปรไว้ถ่าย from start to finish